Hello, welcome to Pre-Technical Mathematics. This video lecture is on solving right triangles. It's from the supplement, chapter 13, section 4. Here's our first problem. Now this should be similar to what we were doing before. We have an angle A given. Let's put that down, 39.7 degrees. And we have side B, which is 49.6 kilometers. Now we need to find C. We know this is the hypotenuse. And this was what? The adjacent, right? So I'll keep reminding you of that. Now what do we know with adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine. The cosine of 39.7 degrees equals the adjacent, which is 49.6 over the hypotenuse, and we'll give that our label C. Okay, we have to do our algebra. Remember, essentially, they swap places. And with that, we should find C equal to 64.46, and that was in kilometers. We can find A by using the Pythagorean theorem. We'll take 64.46 squared minus, I can't read my own writing, 49.6 squared, and A should be equal to 41.2 kilometers. So we have C as 64.46 kilometers, and we have A as 41.2 kilometers. Okay, so we've got all three sides. All we need to do is find angle B. Okay, if this is 90, I'm going to switch this up a little bit on you. If this is 90, then these two have to equal 90 in order for a triangle to equal 180. So let's eliminate that step of 180 minus 90. And let's find angle B by taking 90 minus 39.7 degrees. And we should get that angle B at 50.3 degrees. All right. Let's see what we have next. Okay, we're given angle B at 42.3, get my point in there, degrees. side B as 637 meters. Okay, we're going to find C, which you know as the hypotenuse. So we want to have the opposite of angle B. So we're going to say the sine of 42.3 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, that's 637 divided by the hypotenuse, which is side C. You should be able to do the algebra, swap these, and get C equal to 946.5 meters. Now I'm skipping some steps here because we've done a number of problems now, and you should be familiar with the algebra part, and you should start getting familiar with the opposite over hypotenuse and so forth, what sine is, what cosine is, and what tangent is. So let's see, we need to find side A, Pythagorean theorem again. We'll use 946.5 squared minus 637 squared, and we'll get A equal to, I've got 700 even. How would that happen? And then all we need to find is angle A. Right triangle says it's 90 degrees minus 42.3 degrees should give us 47.7 degrees. Let's go ahead and complete our diagram to make sure we have everything and that it makes sense. Side A was 700 and angle A was 47.7 degrees. Okay. Looks correct. Here's one for you to try. Use the same steps we've done in the earlier examples. Solve for all three sides and both angles. This is the end of the video lecture.